Okay, we left two problems over from last time, number 9 and 10. Let's see what we got here. Number 9 works like, what was this total share for Thurman's net loss? And they give you all kinds of criteria here. There's going to be 10% on the capital counts. There's going to be a salary, 2 salaries as a matter of fact. And then the percentages are going to be 5, 2, and 3. So those are the facts. So what you have to do is you got to start with 26, which was the loss. You got to subtract the salaries, which is a total of 39,000. Then you got to subtract the interest on the partnership capital accounts, which is also 39,000. Do the math. This comes out to 390 at 10%. This gives you a net loss of 104 in total, because the net loss given doesn't take these things into account. So now we have a net loss of 104. 30% of that is 31,200, or do I have it right? So 104 times 30% is 31,200. Now you have to adjust by adding back the salary that he got. So this is a plus, this is negative, a loss. He got 14,300 as interest on his partnership capital account. Then this is going to net out to what? 3,900 loss, and that becomes the answer. Answer C is the amount. Complicated? Yes, a little bit. But basic idea is whatever they tell you the net loss is, it's not been adjusted for the expenditures that they otherwise have in the partnership problem, which is the salaries and the 10% on the capital account, which is like an interest payment, also deducted from the net loss. Why that is, I don't know. I think the problem should tell you a little bit more, but that's just me. Okay, let's do number 10. Okay, I think number 10 is not so bad. Anne's retiring. She's going to get 80. Her capital account balance is 50. No goodwill method. This is going to be just the old-fashioned way. So we got to get her to 80. So let's do a T account. Let's make some room here. We got to do a T account of her account. She's at 50, right? We got to get her to 80. So it'll be she got to get 30. Where's she going to get it? She's going to get it from the other two partners, Donald and Todd. So they have to give it to her, and they'll give it to in her relative, or their relative ratios to each other is what they're going to do to give her 30. Their relative ratios are 20 and 40. So 1/3 of the 30 will go to Don, or go against him. He'll take it away from his capital account to give to her. Todd will so it's a 1/3, 2/3. This ratio becomes 1/3, 2/3. So of the 30,000, 1/3 goes there, 2/3 goes here. So let's see what his capital account, Don's capital account, went from 40 to 30. That looks like A. Todd went from 30 down to 10. That looks like that. And that looks like A. So A's got the right answer, and we're done. Phew. All right. Call it a night.